Welcome to a Teesom how-to video. In this video, we're going to talk about adding a customer. And there's a couple of different ways we can add a customer in Teesom. So in this example, I'm starting off on the job board. I know I'm on the job board because if I look in the upper left-hand corner, you can see the word job board. If I want to start to create a new order and I want to use a customer that doesn't exist already in my database, I can click on the new customer option and a screen will pop up to allow me to fill out the information to add the new customer on the fly. And then it will go back to this screen and it'll allow me to start the new order for that customer. The other way I can do it is if I want to click on the main menu and click on customers, and then click on the new customer option in the upper right hand corner. I'll now proceed to fill out the customer information. My customer is Unified Technology Solutions, and the email address I have for him is ray@unifiedtech.com. First name Ray, last name Prado, and then I noticed that there's a star next to the cell phone field. That means this is a mandatory field. So I'm just going to type in his cell phone number and then move down to the phone number, which is also a mandatory field. And then the account prefix, what I typically do is I put the first three letters of the company name. And then what Teesom will do is automatically add a 00001 to this, since it's my first customer with the first three letters starting with UNI. If I now create another customer called United Farms, it will then become UNI 0002 and so on. You can also leave the field blank and Teesom will put a unique identifier on there altogether. I'm going to go ahead and select the company industry, and then the marketing effort, I'm just going to say that they were a referral. And at this point I can stop here. This is if I just want to quickly add a customer on the fly. This is the mandatory information that I should be taking to quickly add a customer. However, if I have time, let's say I was out marketing and I picked up a business card, then I want to continue to add information. So I can click over here on the optional billing address information. I'm just going to say that the address that I'm filling out right now is for their main office, and I'm just going to put Unified Technology Solutions in again. Contact person is Ray Prado, and then the street address 2100 40th Ave, and then we've got a suite number, so suite number 3, and then Vero Beach and Florida, and then I'll leave it on United States. And again, I can hit save at this point, or I can continue on. Look at the ship address. I can either enter in a new ship address by unchecking the same as billing address, or I can just leave that checked off to say it is the same as the billing address. I can now click on the money and set the customer's terms. I can then, if I have alternate tax options for them, are they tax exempt or should I be using my default tax rate? And then I'll click the drop down one more time to go to the other options. And this is where I can put my customer into a customer group. So do I want them at the bronze level, the gold, the platinum, the silver, or no group at all? It's up to you. And then here's where I can pick the default ship method. I'll go ahead and hit save. And now if I head over to the job board by clicking on the Teesom logo in the upper left hand corner, I can click on new order, and guess what? Unified Technology Solutions is right there. And to start creating the new order, I'll just simply click on Ray's name, and it's ready for me to create that new job. Thanks for watching.